Hello guys, welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. This video sums up the perception of artificial intelligence for most of us and is that we are at no risk of being destroyed by machines. However, the tech icon mistakes to different viewpoints that the AI is a fundamental risk to the existence of human civilization. Further artificial intelligence are threat or not is to let me know your thoughts in the comment section for now. Let me introduce you the artificial intelligence. The term artificial intelligence was first coined Dr. Orgo in the year 1956 by John McCurry at the Dartmouth Conference. He defined the artificial intelligence as the science and engineering of making intelligence in a sense. AI is a technique of getting machine to work and behave like human. In the recent past, AI has been able to accomplish this by creating machines and robots that are being used in a wide range of fields, including healthcare, robotics, marketing, and business analytics. But many AI applications are not referred to as AI because we often tend to think of artificial intelligence as a robot doing daily code, but the truth is artificial intelligence has found its way into our daily life. It has become so generous that it doesn't realize we use it all the time. Or for instance, have you ever wondered how Google is able to do such an accurate search result, or how your Facebook feed always gives content based on your interest? The answer to this question is artificial intelligence now. Before I go any further, let me clear a very common miscommunication. People often tend to think that artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are the same since the common applications are. For example, Siri is an application of machine learning, and how so this technology detected artificial intelligence is the science of making machines of the behavior of human machine learning is a subset of AI that is of getting machine to make decisions by feeding them data on the other hand. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses the concept of neural networks to solve complex problems. So, from it, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are interconnected with machine learning, and deep learning needs artificial intelligence by providing a set of algorithms and neural networks to solve data-driven problems. However, AI is not restricted to only machine learning and deep learning. It covers a vast domain of field, including natural language processing, object detection, computer vision, robotics, Excel systems, and so on. Now, artificial intelligence can be structured along three evolutionary stages, or you can say that there are three different types of artificial intelligence. First, we have artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and finally artificial super intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence, which is also known as weak AI, involves artificial intelligence also makes specific tasks. Now, how many currently existing systems that claim to use artificial intelligence are operating as a weak AI force on a narrow defined specific problem? Now, Alexa is a very good example of narrow intelligence. It operates within a limited predefined range of function. There is a genius intelligence or no self-awareness, despite being a sophisticated example of weak AI. Another example of weak AI includes the face verification that you see in your iPhone, the autopilot feature at Tesla, and the social humanoid Sophia which is built at Hanson Robotics, and finally we have Grab. All of these applications are based on a weak AI or artificial narrow intelligence. Let's take a look at artificial general intelligence. Artificial general intelligence is also known as strong AI. It involves machine that possess the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human being can use. See, machines don't possess human-like ability. We have a strong processing unit that perform high-level computation, but they are not yet capable of thinking, reasoning like a human. There are many excepts who doubt that artificial general intelligence which will be possible, and there are also many who questions whether we should desirable. I am all of you have heard of Stephen Hawking. Now he wondered how that strong AI would take off its own and redesign itself at a ever increased rate. Humans who are limited by slow biological evolution couldn't compete and would be supervised coming to artificial superintelligence. This is a term that refers to the time when the capability of computer will surpass human in artificial superintelligence is presently seen as a hypothetical situation as a written movie and science fiction books where machine learning will take over the world. However, if mastermind like Elon Musk believe that artificial superintelligence will take over the world by the 2040. Now that you know the different type of artificial intelligence, let's take a look at how AI is used to the real world, from spotting an heat planet solar system, which is 2,500 light years away, to possessing sonnet and poem. The application of AI have covered all possible domains in the market. In the finance sector, JP Morgan's Connect intelligence platform uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, and image recognition software to analyze legal documents and extract important data points and causes it in a matter of seconds. Now, manually reviewing to 12,000 arguments take over 6,000, but AI has able to do this in a matter of seconds. Coming to healthcare, IBM is a pioneer that has developed AI software perfectly for mission. More than 30 healthcare organizations worldwide uses IBM Watson technology in 2016. IBM Watson AI technology has able to cross reference 20 million oncology record and correctly diagnoses a rare condition in a patient. Coming to the next application, Google's AI Doctor is another initiative taken by Google, where they are working with an Indian Chain to develop a AI system which can examine retina scan and identify a condition called diabetic patients, which causes blindness. Coming to social media, platform like Facebook, artificial intelligence is used for face verification, wherein machine learning and deep learning concepts are used to detect facial features and tag your friends. Another such example is Twitter's AI, which is being used to identify hat speech and terrestrial language in which it makes use of machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing to filter out offensive content. The company discovered and banned 300,000 terrorist-like accounts. 95% of them were found by non-human artificial intelligence machine. The Google Predictor is one of the most famous AI applications when being Thanks for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe the video.